Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Have you ever heard of the electrolysis method? Today, let's try it out together. Take a big PVC pipe, cut it into 3 equal sections to make the containers, and seal off the bottom ends. On the top, drill some holes to attach the containers. From the holes we just drilled, attach pipes pointing upwards to serve as connection points. Attach metal rods to hold the containers. These rods will carry electricity from the power source into the solution inside. Put the lids on the containers and connect them together. Mount the setup on a piece of wood to keep it stable. This also helps everything stay connected and organized. Seal the inlet and outlet of the containers. Be extra careful with the joints to avoid any leaks, or the gas will escape. Connect the wires to the metal rods. pour diluted salt water into the containers and turn on the power to start the reaction. Use a 12-volt power supply to keep things safe. Just give it some time for the reaction to kick in. This is a dangerous experiment. If you're not familiar with it, please don't try to follow along. The result is hydrogen gas, a type of gas that's really flammable. Thanks for watching, everyone. Drop your thoughts in the comments below.